Hello, today I'm going to show you how to convert to symmetrical dipped beam or to asymmetrical dipped beam after returning. First, we open the surface cover of our Smart for 2. When we locate the screw to make the setup of the symmetrical dipped beam settings, we turn the screw with an appropriated tool 1/4 of a turn towards. Okay, we have the correct setting of the dip beam headlamp checked at a qualified specialist workshop, of course. So you can see it's easy. If you go to a country where they would like to drive on the left side, not on the right side, you have to change this. And if you are back at home, for example, on the right side of driving your car, then we convert to a symmetrical dipped beam after returning. Then we convert the headlamp back to the asymmetrical dipped beam as soon as possible after crossing the border. Then we open the surface cover again, turn the screw with an appropriated tool to the 1/4 of a turn toward, okay, toward the original position. Toward is clockwise, and a turn toward plus is clockwise. If you go to symmetrical dip beam, then you go anti-clockwise. If you stand in front of your car, okay, we have the correct setting of the dip beam handle checked at a qualified special workshop after done this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.